I thank ET for calling me, inviting me for the National Governance Virtual Summit. And I'm very happy to share the experience of Ayushman Bharat, in which the technology was used extensively to roll out the world's largest healthcare insurance scheme. So, the situation in India is like this. Various reports say that almost 6 crore Indians go below poverty line every year because of expenditure that they incur on healthcare. And this is an out of pocket expenditure. It is estimated that almost 63% of expenditure in India on healthcare is out of pocket, leading to extreme poverty. And under this background, the scheme that is known as Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, it was launched in September 2018. The basic framework of the scheme provides for health cover to more than 50 crore poor and vulnerable people in India. The cover extends to rupees 5 lakh per family per year, and it is provided for all hospitalization services. The beauty of this scheme is that it's extremely IT. It has used IT in an extremely nice manner so as to make the rollout and further implementation and escalation very fast and very smooth. I'm very also happy to share that out of 36 states and union territories of India, so far 32 are on board, 33rd is on way. We have recently touched a magic figure of 1 crore or 10 million treatments that we have provided under this particular scheme. The network right now stands at 22,000 hospitals. In fact, more than that, out of which almost half are from private sector. And we have spent almost 13,500 crore rupees to the cost of treatment so far. So how this was possible? If you see the timeline, it was thought and discussed sometimes in the month of February 18 that we have to launch such scheme. It was discussed in the budget. Then cabinet decision was taken in March 18. The design framework was finalized, and the National Health Agency, it was agency at that point of time, was established in May 2018. MOU was signed, policies were framed, guidelines were framed, and IT system was developed in record time. And on 15th of August, Honorable Prime Minister announced that the scheme will be launched, and scheme started on 23rd of September 2018. It was started by Honorable Prime Minister from Ranchi, and it escalated very fast. And as of now, we have crossed 1 crore treatments. So how this was made possible using technology? So we identified that there are three major components or pillars of our scheme. The focus is obviously the beneficiary, the poor and vulnerable section. Then there is a hospital to provide treatment. It has a private hospital and a public hospital both. And then there is an agency which will make payment to the hospital. So this agency is National Health Authority and various state health agency, and in many states it is through insurance company. And all these major players are now integrated in an IT platform in a seamless fashion. And for helping the beneficiaries out, because they may not be IT savvy, we have a Pradhan Mantri Arogya Mitra sitting in all these hospitals. And all these allied activities which are required for administration, monitoring, evaluation, and regular day-to-day implementation, which includes framing of health benefit packages, monitoring, fund flow, awareness generation, everything. So it is all closely connected with this IT backbone. So we basically work in three major modules. One is module connected with hospitals. The other one is about beneficiaries. Last and most important probably is about treatments or transactions. And all of these are interconnected with each other, which we use for various aspects like addressing the grievances, prevention and control of fraud, monitoring of the scheme, ensuring that the portability is provided. That is, the patient from South India can come to Delhi, from North India can go to Chennai and get the treatment in a seamless fashion. And everything is possible because of this uh, good technology. So what we are doing right now, a beneficiary can see various information like check his eligibility, see which hospital is available nearby, get the golden card or e-card generated, can reach the hospital. In fact, we are also now planning to launch a dashboard for all the public. So beneficiaries will obviously be able to see what is being done in the scheme. Then hospitals can get empaneled in a seamless, paperless fashion and provide treatment, and the claims are also settled in a paperless manner. So this is how beneficiary can interact with our system through the portal, that is mera.pfj.gov.in. And those who cannot use this, for them we provide this service to our call center 14555. Then we believe in constant monitoring and further improving the scheme. So we have got various types of dashboards which makes it possible for the leadership at national, state and district level to see what is happening at their levels, compare and contrast performance of various states, districts, across specialties, across hospitals, across procedures, and identify laggards, identify better performers. We can ensure that the claims are submitted on time and they are cleared on time. This is so important to ensure that hospitals remain on board and they remain most important stakeholders. This is one of the dashboards that I want to show. It shows how patients are moving from one state to other state. So far, almost 1.1 lakh patients, they have availed treatment outside their state, which was not possible in any similar schemes earlier. Now, thanks to technology, this has been made possible. So you get treatment in other state, but your home state makes the payment. So these are the dashboards showing that portability. And there are many such features. I can go on explaining, but in short, I would like to explain that this scheme of this scale and magnitude, the world's largest health assurance scheme, it has been successful in rolling out and implementation because of technology. Thank you very much.